Good morning, students. Today we will start a new lesson. This lesson has been taken from book Panchtantra. Panchtantra stories are based on moral values. Today I will tell you a story from the Panchtantra. The name of the story is Flying Together. I have made a PPT. I hope you will like it. Objectives: to develop reading and understanding of the lesson, to develop the ability to use language correctly and creatively, to learn new words and their meanings, to able to think wisely and discourage laziness. In the forest there was a big tree. On the tree top lived some geese. Here you can see these are geese and they are living in the forest. One day the wise old goose noticed a creeper growing at the foot of the tree. Here children, you can see a small creeper and an old goose noticed it. He said, "Do you see that creeper? Let us destroy it." Geese said, "Why must we destroy it?" An old goose said, "My friends, that little creeper will soon grow as it creeps up this tree, it will become thick and strong." The geese said, "What of that? What harm can a creeper do us?" An old goose said, "Don't you see? With the help of that creeper, it will be possible for someone to climb this tree. A hunter can come up and kill us all." The geese said, "Well, there is no hurry. The creeper is very small. It would be a pity to destroy it now." An old goose said, "Destroy the creeper while it will be still young. Now it is tender and you can cut it easily. Later it will become hard and you will not be able to cut it." The geese said, "We will see. We will see." As the creeper grew, it became widening its way up the tree, stronger and stronger. It became until it was as strong as a thick rope. One morning, when the geese had gone out in search of food, a hunter came to the forest. Here in this you can see that hunter climbed the tree with the help of creeper. The hunter said to himself, "So this is where the wild geese live. When they came back in the evening, I shall catch them." The hunter climbed up the tree with the help of creepers and spread his net there. You can see the hunter spread the net on the tree. And he said to himself, "I will come tomorrow morning to take the geese." Here you can see what happened. All the geese caught in the net. All the geese started crying, "Help, help! We are caught in the hunter's net. Oh, what shall we do?" The old goose said, "Don't make a fuss now. Long ago I told you to destroy the creeper, but you did not. Now see what has happened. Tomorrow morning the hunter will come back and kill all. The geese said, "We were foolish. We are very sorry. We did not listen to you. Please tell us what to do." The old goose said, "Now listen carefully. When the hunter comes, you must all pretend to be dead. Just lie still. The hunter will not harm dead birds. He will throw us to the ground. When last of us has been thrown down, we must quickly get up and fly away." Geese pretended to be dead. The hunter thought the geese were dead, and one by one threw all the geese out of the net. When all the geese were out of the net, the old geese said, "Fly together." And all the geese flew away and saved themselves from the hunter. The geese have escaped. Now, children, look at the questions and answer. First question: where did the geese live? Answer: the geese lived in a tall tree of a deep forest. Question number 2: why did the old bird advise the other birds to destroy the creeper? Answer: the old bird advised the other birds to destroy the creeper because when the creeper will grow, it will become thick and strong, easy to climb. Question number 3: why did the geese cry, "Help, help"? Answer: the geese cried, "Help, help," because they were caught in the hunter's net. Question number 4: what did the hunter do when he thought that the geese were there? Answer: the hunter threw them out of the net one by one. Question number 5: why did the geese pretend to be dead? Answer: the geese pretended to be dead because the hunter will not harm dead bird, and he will throw out all the birds from the net to ground, and it will be easy for them to fly away. Now, the moral of the story is we should listen to our elders. We should complete the work in time. Dear children, so we must listen to our parents and teachers. Whatever the parents and teacher tell us to do our work on time, we have to do according to them. If we don't, then we will suffer like the geese. Here the statements are given, whether it's a true or false. Just see it. The tree was the house of a flock of parrots. It's false. The wise old bird wanted the creeper to be destroyed. True. The hunter climbed the tree with the help of a ladder. No, it's a false. When caught in the net, the foolish bird began to weep. True. The wise bird helped them to escape. True. Now look at the assignment. Write the opposite of wisdom, old, obedient. Write the plural of goose, hunter, branch. Question number 3. Where did the geese live? Question number 4. Why did the old goose ask the young geese to cut the creeper. Question number 5. What value do you learn from the story? Thank you, children. I hope you will like the story and complete your assignment. Thank you.